Hello, I'm Kevin from ASUS Display Product Marketing, and now I'm currently in ROG booth of COMPUTEX. And first of all, I'm very glad and honored the ASUS Bezel-free Kit can won the Best Choice Award this year. Okay, let me introduce some amazing features for you. Wow, it's more immersive than seamless gaming experience you've never seen before, right? Yes, that is ASUS Bezel-free Kit did. Because we know a lot of gamers have 2 or 3, even multiple display setup scenarios, especially playing shooting games or racing games. Although it's more immersive than single display, actually it has a double bezels in the junction area. It's very balancing of them. So ASUS Bezel-free Kit using the light refraction method, just like playing small tricks, it can eliminate and remove the bezels. In addition, user-friendly design is very easy attached in the setup. It can provide a truly seamless gaming experience. And finally, if you are interested in ASUS Bezel-free Kit, please go to our official website to get more information. Thank you.